Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen tab apps icon right here. Scroll down and choose settings. From the following list, you need to choose the personal tab and select language and input. Afterwards, tap on languages at the top of the screen, and as you can see in my case I'm using the English from United States, but you can choose add a language right here and choose one of the languages from the following list. So in my case, let me just say that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish, so let me tap on the Espanol. So here I have Espanol. Let me just tap it again into the Espanol, of course, right here. And now let's choose your region. In my case it could be España. So as you can see, I just accidentally added this language, but I can remove it. Let me choose remove. Let me select this accidental language, tab remove, and tab OK. Alright, so now I've got the Espanol, so the Spanish and the English. Let me place the Espanol into the first position, and as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. So now if you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes right here, scroll down and choose Idioma y Traducción de Texto, then select Idiomas and let's put English into the first position right here. That's it. Right now everything is in English. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.